What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're knocking out another pad. Gonna be doing pad number 11. Got my Harbor Freight mixer here ready to go. Got everything all set up to get this knocked out. Can't wait to get this one done, and then I just have to do the one in the middle. I already did some filming, so I filmed how I got these forms all set up and how I did the rebar, so I haven't talked about that for a while. So I filmed that for this video. But yeah, we're pretty much just gonna get into it. Same as always, ton of 2B limestone, ton of highway sand, 6 bags of Portland, and we're gonna get going. So I got my rebar. This is how I want to do it. I have one piece of rebar going all the way along here, sticking through that form. This piece of rebar was sticking through the form on this pad. So over here on the edge, I have a piece of rebar that goes all the way over and overlaps the whole way through. And I'm going to continue doing that. So this whole edge has a piece of rebar all the way along. And then on this outer edge, I'm going to have the same thing, piece of rebar that follows this outer edge all the way over, and then is going to stick through this form. All right, now I just stick my piece of rebar in the hole and beat her in. And you can feel it bottom out. See how much it's kicking my hammer back now. It's totally bottomed out. I have my tape measure over on that corner, and I have this long measuring tape over on the other corner. So all I'm gonna do is find where 38 feet 2 inches meets 21. Alright guys, it's super windy today, so you're gonna have to bear with me a little bit. Here it is, pad number 11. Super happy with how it turned out. I had to put on the smooth finish in the dark last night with the headlamp, just because this time of year, just losing daylight every day. But you can see, got the forms off, pretty much the same as usual. This edge over here had a couple small issues. I just must have forgot to tap it. But what I'm planning on doing is chalking up a line on both of these long corners and using my concrete saw to just make a cut and get a perfect straight edge. Like I said before in the last video, the corners are all perfectly square now, but the actual edge, the side, has a little bit of funkiness to it. So if I just take like an inch off both sides, then it'll be a perfect square. So we're almost done, guys. Got this last one to do. Like I said, I got lots I want to talk about, but I'm going to save it for the very last video. So I'm going to do this next pad, and then I'm going to make a video just explaining a lot of things all about what I did, what I'm going to do, just kind of the review and summary video. So that'll come after I do pad number 12. Still need to get a couple pieces of rebar and some wire mesh. I'm gonna put 5 pieces in there. Still got to beat 2 pieces in right there, 1 right there, and then I got to drill 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 holes and beat some into that pad. Stepped inside my camper real fast just to get out of the wind. Hope you guys have been enjoying this project. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on me finishing this. And if you guys would do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button down below, I really appreciate it, and it helps the video grow, reach a wider audience. So thanks guys. That's gonna be it. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.